So you want to learn how to join Binance. Well, in this video I will show you exactly that. First thing you want to do is obviously go to the Binance website, to which there is a link in the description of this video. Then you will see this yellow register button right here, or you could just put in your email or phone number right here and click on get started, but we're going to use the register button. From there you'll be shown this page right here, where you can either sign up with email or phone, or with Apple. I'll just choose email. Then you get this little screen which says welcome to Binance, and you will have to confirm your area of residence, and then you can choose whether you want to create a personal account or an entity account. I'll just choose personal for now. So then you get to the enter account details screen, which you will enter your email. I'll just use the contact email for this YouTube channel, and then a strong password, as you are dealing with financial stuff. You don't want to lose your money. Here you'll have the referral ID option, which if you use the link in my description will be automatically filled in. But if you are, for example, signing up with the mobile app, you will have to manually put in this referral ID right here. And then you can agree to receive email updates and agree to share data for market purposes if you want to. And then you click next. From here you'll get the email verification screen, where if you go to your email you'll get a code, which I will show you in one bit. So this email will look something like this, where you get a account activation code and then some security tips. After that I'll just copy and paste the code into here, and you will click submit. From this point forwards I can't really show you much more, as I have already used my phone to create a Binance account, but I will tell you in steps how the process goes. Later you would get a screen which will ask you for your phone number, and after you enter that you'll be sent a code via text message to verify your phone number. After this you will be sent to the know your customer screen, which will ask you for two things: proof of identification, where you can just send a photo of, for example, your driver's license, and proof of address, where you will submit a document which has the address, your name, the issue date, and then who sent it. After this you will have to wait a little bit so the documents will be verified, and then I will show you what you will see once you finally get into Binance. So after you've logged in or registered your account and then logged in, you will see this right here, and you can see your wallet, your orders, and much more, which I will explain in the future videos. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, and subscribe to become a part of the revolution today, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.